Probably should have turned some music on. See, it might not be too late. Ooh, it's a whole lot. Let's go with. Oops. There we go. Hopefully that's not too loud. Oops. There we go. Yeah, let's do a little bit of music. Probably could have started that a lot sooner. Today we are doing something a little different. Doing an evening stream on the EURUSD chart, and we are going to do a little bit of replay. Hopefully the music's not too loud. Otherwise I can turn it down a little bit. Rather than that, we're starting off on the 5-minute chart, and we're just gonna, mess around, do a little bit of exercise. So we want to just flatten this out as much as possible. And did I leave my monitor on? I sure did. Let me just adjust that real quick. Do not like being able to hear my own voice. All right. So we're going to flatten that and then just squish it down as much as possible so that we can't really see what's going on. And we're just going to back it up a little bit. Oh, I guess that's as far as it's going to let us go on this one. So let's change to a 1-hour chart. I think we can get a little bit more time out of that before it. Oh, fantastic. What is this? Oh, okay, yeah, so we're way back in the 20s. Okay, so let's zoom in. Let's go back to the well, let's replay. Hit the replay button and we'll just select let's go. I want to go to January. February seems good. So we're going to start from right here. And let's zoom in a little bit more. Data point is unavailable. Alright, well, we'll stick on the 5-minute chart then. Actually, okay, since they're going to do that, let's go to the 1-minute chart and let's just go back as far as we can before it stops us. We're not trying to... Okay, so right here, which was earlier this month. That's fine because we don't know where we're going. Let's hide everything. Hide. All right, let's close that. Let's go and see what the chart. Oh. So then we'll start from, just pick a point at random, right here. All right, and now we'll start seeing how it goes. Let's make it a little big enough to see. All right, so this is about London Open, and let's just start watching the chart. Okay, so we have a huge bullish move right here, and then we got kind of a flag building. Let's see what that leads to. Go to the next one. And I'm probably going to start placing orders after I get a feel for the rhythm, which way the market's going. Let's go with, let's open a buy order here. And price, I'm not even concerned about price. This is just kind of, I'm building my intuition. Here, let's buy right there. Look at that, bam, went up. up again. Building my muscle. I'm exercising to better read the market and build my intuition of the direction that the market's going. You see, I got no indicators. I have nothing, just a naked chart, and I'm really trying to get better at price action. That is my goal, is to just be able to read 100% price action. And that's what these exercises are for. Let's buy right there. And I'll put another buy right there. And it looks like I may have made a boo-boo. But I'm only $62 in drawdown. And that number is quickly going up. I could probably start buying down here and kind of meet in the middle and then close everything at break even. So I'm going to try that. I got to work on my whole break even skills too, so this is also a good exercise for that. If it continues to drop, I'm probably just going to have to take the hit. Alright, so if it comes down to this level again, I'll probably open another buy. And oh, almost so close. And it looks like it might be... There we go. Let's buy. There we go. We're close. Oh, being teased right now. And I am in profit. And I'm out of profit as soon as I said that. There we go. Based on this and this, I'm going to close right here at 15. And we'll just reset, watch the market and see what happens. Of course, it continues to go up. That's just the way that it goes. You know, I'm lucky to get out at break even. The smarter move would have been to sell up here and then just open these orders down here and then write it up. And I could have made money off of this, and then I could have made money off of this move instead of trying to average a winning trade right here. But because of that average, and I closed, and I was lucky that I didn't lose money in those trades. So, you know, that's how it is. Sometimes you're lucky that you could break even. So we're just gonna wait. New York should be opening soon. And that should bring price down a little bit. So we might start selling. I think this might be a good area to sell right up here. But we'll see. Remember, we were watching the price. We got it coming down into the New York Open. Or the North America Open. New York doesn't open until around here. So I'm actually tempted to go in for a buy. I think I'm gonna buy. Let's buy here. And North America is now open. And things are looking good. I'm gonna close because I got a feeling this might turn around once New York really gets open. Ooh, I closed way too soon. I could have collected a couple more dollars up here. Now we got a nice, oh my goodness, did I close way too early? Yes, I did. Closed right here, and let's see if it continues to jump or if this is a turnaround. We're gonna get that exhaustion. We still have some time before the New York opens. think I'm gonna start selling when price gets, if price gets up here, I'm gonna start selling. And that might be, oof, I think that was my signal. Now I gotta wait. And New York is opening soon. Coming up on the New York Open. Price is starting to range right here. So what do I want to do? All right, let's see. New York opens. Yep, we got the New York Open. I think I'm gonna sell. Yep, let's open a sell right here. Sell that. I'm gonna sell that one. Let's sell here. All right, and we're at the recent high. What is it gonna do? Was I right, or is my instinct completely messed up? Ooh, I think $100. I think I was wrong. I'm not gonna close it yet because let's see, London, Europe should close around here. So I'm gonna hold until about 10:30 and we'll see where price takes us, because maybe we might be able to come back down after that. And it's looking good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and sell here. Maybe I can so I got an order here, an order here, an order here, and an order here, and an order here, and my average would be somewhere around the middle of all of that, which is, I guess, right here. So what we need to do, and it's risky, is if I want to bring this up so that I could start making money, is I'd have to place more orders at this zone here. So let's open an order here. And then just let it go. We're coming up on, this might be a good place to sell because it's getting a little bit higher. But I'm already at, if this was a real account, I would already be at almost $200 in drawdown. And this isn't really how I normally trade. This is just an exercise. I normally just scalp for 2 to 3 pips per trade. And if I would have seen after these 2 trades that the direction continued to go up, I would have just changed from sell to buy in this area, cut these out for a loss, and then just bought. But you can't get better without making a few mistakes. That's the thing. You got to make mistakes in order to improve. And continuing to sell the high or the bear, continuing to sell the bull market is just a huge mistake. Like even right here, I could have turned things around and been like, all right, it looks like a buy, and then bought down here, bought here, and then rode the wave up. They're closing all these. And if I would have closed all these, I would have made it back with these trades, and then whatever other trade I would have placed. That's how you gotta look at it. Like whatever loss you're gonna take, you can make up with future trades. You can't hold on to the money like a miser. You can't be a Scrooge McDuck. You got to be able to just walk away from the money, knowing that there's more money in the future. And because I was holding on, look at all these terrible trades. Now I'm stuck, and I'm in like the hopium phase, where I'm just hoping that price rejects up here, and we can look over here and see, okay, where is it possible that price is going to reject? And it's a long ways away. So that is bad news for our humble day trader here, to just ride this all the way up and hope that it'll come crashing down, when I could have just saw this and been like, well, we passed the high, close all these, open a buy, buy, and then rode the wave up. But since I'm stuck in this bad decision, let's ride it out and see what happens. I mean, the other smart thing would be, okay, let's just close it. Let's just close it. I'm out 225 bucks. Let's reset and see what happens. We got a range forming. So let's see what would have happened if I would have held those trades just a little bit longer. And we can see that it's not making any more highs. It's just kind of inching its way a little bit higher, but not too much. It's not making huge moves like it was. Oh, now it is. There we go. And it does not look like it's coming back down. So the good news is I'm only out 225. If I would have held on, it would have gone up a little bit more. Let's see. Just a little bit. And yeah, it's just ranging. We're just stuck up here. So I would have been holding on forever, waiting for this trade, waiting for these to look at here. It's coming down a little bit, but not much. And now it's just, it's a lower range, but not much of a difference. So I'm a little rusty. I'm a little rusty when it comes to, I haven't done this in a week. It's been a crazy week. And so now we're coming up on North America close, and Australia is about to open. Let's see if they can bring price down. But it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Price is just going up little by little. Let's see if we can catch some of these moves. So we got a nice downswing here and a slow build up, another down, and then a slow build up, and then kind of a soft down, then a range. So I'm probably gonna go with a buy, see what happens, and we'll hold it, and oof, man, it wants to go up. Price wants to continue going up. It just, oh, Tokyo is open. The Asia market is now open, so we'll see what they want to do. There we go. Thank you. All right, so we'll close there. Now, what I should have done was, when I opened my first order, I could have bought here, I could have bought here, I could have bought here, and I could have bought here. So that would have opened up 4 more orders, but because my last experience was terrible, I lost a little bit of confidence. So I only opened one order. And I'm telling you, I had an itchy trigger finger right here. I was gonna buy and I was gonna buy, but I was like, okay, what if it comes down? What if it goes down again? You start to doubt yourself and you have to rebuild that confidence. And it takes a while. It takes a couple trades to get back into it. So let's continue. Will we keep buying? That is the question. If it comes down to here, I'll probably buy. Doesn't look like it's gonna get much. Come on, just a little bit more. Just need it to come down a little bit more. We got Frankfurt opening up soon. And buy. I'm just gonna buy. Comes down lower, I'll buy again. Buy. I think I'll just hold for now and buy. Oh man, I missed the I wanted to get this low right here. But Europe is about to open, so let's keep our finger on the button. Actually, let's man, I missed the keep going, keep going. Oof, man. I'm not doing too good today. All right. So this is the part where you assess your situation. I have 5 orders up here. We got the Europe open and then price drops. Now, does price gonna keep going lower? Because we've already come up quite a bit since North America. This is where you really have to understand. And I'm going to be honest, I don't understand yet. This is why I do this, because I'm trying to learn what price is telling me. I'm trying to understand the language of the market. And I think I'm going to stay in the buys. I'm going to keep buying. So I'm going to buy down here. And right here. Let's see. We have a level here. We got a level down here. And it hasn't broken this lower level yet. So I think, okay, just as I said it, there it goes, breaking that lower level now. And look at that. So I am very rusty and not doing good at all with gauging direction. And North America is about to open. What will North America do? Will they save me from my stupidity, or will they take price down even further? Here we go. North America opens. What is going to happen? I probably should have just closed. I held on to the trade too long. I'm just gonna have to close it. If I had a $1,000 account, I would now be negative $626. If I had a $500 account, I would have blown it. All right, so we have New York open. Let's see what New York is going to do for us. Maybe we can turn things around to the tune of $600. All right, I'm going to continue to buy. And every time it touches down, I'm going to buy again. Buy. And who knows, I may just be wrong all day today. Buy that. If it doesn't turn around by, let's say 12 o'clock, I'm closing it and we're done. I'm playing Minecraft. Forget this. It's almost 12. Can I profit? And there goes. Yeah, so forget it. Let's close. Let's call it a day. I used to do this more often. I haven't done it a lot, or I haven't done it much lately. But it's a good way to get a feel for the market and get an understanding of direction and try to build that intuition. And as you can see, my intuition is broken. I am $637 out. Maybe I should start paying more attention to price and treating this like a real account, so I'm not just throwing out. I should probably make some rules for this. Like go in with a smaller quantity. But yeah, like this is just ranging all over the place. And it would have been a good place to make money. Just not for me. So I'll probably be doing this again tomorrow. That was 30 minutes of getting wrecked, we'll call that. We had one good area of making trades, and then it was just all bad decisions and bad decisions. And if we study this, the thing we can see where we went wrong. We can see where the tide changes and where we should have changed our direction, changed our bias, and that's another reason that this is good, because you can be like, okay, at this point right here is when I should have known to trade, because it bounced twice and then up. It breaks up through the level right here. It breaks up through this level. It bounces off that level, and this is when I should have started buying. And if I would have started buying here, I could have made some money all the way up to here. And likewise with the selling, I'm buying, and then here, right here, man, right there, we even sat here and looked at this area, and I was trying to figure out, okay, what is the market trying to tell me? And it shows you right here, oh, okay, it's a descending wedge. It wants to go down. Price is going to go down. And what did price do? It went down. So here's the turning point. And then from there, it was just, my mind was not 100%. My confidence was not even 50%. Now I'm just kind of throwing out Hail Marys, like, please win, please win, please win, please win. And the smart thing to do, if this was like a real account, if I was really trading, is I would have stopped with this loss, gone to bed, and woke up the next day and started over. Same here. After this loss, stopped for the day, not even try to trade anymore. it's not about winning your money back or turn it around. It's just okay. You're not, your head's not in it right now. Your heart's not in it. Your head's not in it. Step away from the market. Go play Minecraft or spend time with your family or eat breakfast or something. And I did none of that because we're replaying the market. This is all just replay. It's all for fun. And that might be the other problem, is I got to take this more seriously. Or do I? Maybe I just need to have fun. That could also be the other thing. Maybe it is just about having fun, just about enjoying it. But anyway, that was the market replay for today. I hope somebody learned something, because I mean, I did kind of learn something. I just need to put what I learned into practice, and that is to cut your losses. Cut them quick. Cut them when they are not huge, when they're not big numbers. So that's that. Thanks for watching. I hope it was educational. I hope you learned a little bit about the market, and maybe I can do more instructional videos, but I don't want to be that guy. This is what I do for fun. I like playing Minecraft, and I'm going to get back to streaming Papercraft. But until then, thanks for watching. I see you in the back there. Thank you for stopping by, even though this isn't my normal thing. But I really appreciate it. And for everyone, remember, neurons that fire together wire together. See you next time.